Hello everyone, welcome back to our English video at the mall.
Hi friends, we are happy you are here with us today.
Today you will learn English for shopping and asking for advice politely.
The level is mostly A1, with some easy B1 sentences later.
Please subscribe to our channel if you want more simple English videos.
Write a comment and tell us which country you are watching from.
Hi Jessica, it is nice to meet you here at the mall.
Hi Ryan, good to see you too. You look a little worried.
My niece has a birthday today, but I do not have a gift.
Oh, that is important. Maybe we can find something together today.
There are many shops here. I do not know where to start.
Let us practice English and ask for advice in some different stores.
We will show simple phrases like, "Can you help me please?" inside shops.
Listen carefully and repeat after us when we give example sentences and questions.
Okay, let us go inside and look at some toy shops first.
Good idea. Toys are usually safe gifts for children, especially young girls.
There are dolls, games, and puzzles. I really cannot decide what is best.
Let us practice a question. Say, "Excuse me, can you give me some advice?"
Excuse me, can you give me some advice for a birthday gift, please?
That is very clear and polite. You can also ask about price and age.
If the staff suggests a puzzle, I can ask, "Is this good for 8-year-olds?"
Yes, and you can add, "What do you think about this design and difficulty?"
I think the puzzle is nice, but maybe my niece prefers something more active.
Then you can say, "Actually, I would like something more creative or physical, please."
Please repeat after me. Can you help me? What do you recommend? Is this suitable?
These simple questions are great for any shop when you need advice or opinions.
Maybe clothes are better, but I'm not sure about her size or style.
Then we should ask for advice again and also share some information about her.
Excuse me, my niece is 8. Could you recommend a popular style for girls her age?
That question is B1, but very useful because it is detailed and clear.
I can say, in my opinion, this color feels a little too bright.
And I can answer, "I actually prefer the brighter one. It looks more fun."
Clothes are nice, but I am still not sure. Maybe this gift is too personal.
I agree. Let us look for something more general, maybe books or art supplies.
We already tried toys and clothes. Now we will explore one more useful shop.
Watch the next part and listen for new phrases about hobbies and interests.
This drawing set looks great. Maybe my niece can use it for school and fun.
You can ask, "Do you think this is a good beginner set for kids?"
I really like this gift. It is creative, practical, and not too expensive.
Great choice. Now you can say, "Okay, I will take this one, please."
Let us review. Today we practiced asking for advice and giving simple opinions while shopping.
You heard phrases like, "What do you recommend?" and "Do you think this is suitable?"
Thank you for watching and learning with us. Goodbye everyone, and goodbye Jessica. See you soon.
Bye, friends. Please keep practicing your English. Take care, Ryan, and enjoy the birthday party. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. Lists use commas. There are dolls, games, and puzzles. Future with will for plans. We will show simple phrases. We will explore one more useful shop. Will also shows decisions. Okay, I will take this one, please. Suggestions use let us. Let us practice English. Let us practice a question. Let us look for something. Polite openers, excuse me. Excuse me, can you give me some advice? Add please to soften tone. Can you versus could you shows formality. Could you recommend a popular style? Can you help me, please? Indirect opinion questions. What do you think about this design? Do you think this is suitable? I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. What do you recommend? Simple yes/no with is this suitable? Giving opinions with I think. I think the puzzle is nice. Softener maybe reduces force. Maybe this gift is too personal. Uncertainty phrase. I am not sure. Formal opener for opinions. In my opinion. Polite contrast uses actually. I actually prefer the brighter one. Polite desire with would like. I would like something more creative. Evaluating looks. It looks more fun. Present continuous for actions now. You are watching from. Level or ability in a request. Beginner set for kids. I will show when to use them in real life. We study present simple today. Topic add-ons. Price and age. You can also ask about price and age. There are many shops here. This states a general fact. We are happy you are here with us today. Be plus adjective plus clause. It is nice to meet you. Adjective plus to infinitive. Good to see you too. Fixed polite pattern. Negatives use do not. I do not have a gift. I do not know where to start. Where to start is an infinitive.